A hearty welcome to all of you to this wonderful confluence of doctors. The first of its kind integrative healthcare program in the country, under the guidance and blessings of our revered Guru, Avadhut Baba Shivanand.
This day will be really made memorable by all of you for making this first ever integrative healthcare conference, which will last for 6 days. I'm sure there were other events happen, including Babaji has done 2 or 3 like this, but none of them were for 6 days, second year Shiv Yoga medical course. So we want to acknowledge our Guru for giving us permission and his participation and his enthusiasm to teach us the most evolving, disruptive science. We call it Shiv Yoga energetic science, taught by the best professor in the world, Avadhut Baba Shivanand.
We have our Chief Guest of Honor, Dr. P.D. Patil Sahab. He is a member of Consultative Group, Higher and Technical Education, Planning Commission, Government of India.
During this conclave, Babaji has been able to explain the various phenomena of the anatomy, physiology and biochemistry of the human body in such a simple manner which could not have been possible by any faculty of medical profession. I am sure that Babaji has obtained a super specialty degree in human science from cosmic energy. And accordingly, I would proudly like to announce that His Holiness Avadhut Baba Shivanandji will be conferred with degree of Doctor of Letters.
It's a really honor to address our Avadhut Babaji now as a Dr. Babaji. We have to recognize Babaji too, right? On behalf of all of us. So here we have the big flag from Shiv Yoga Institute. And I'm going to read it to you. Sure is possible. Can only happen because of Avadhut Baba Shivanandji.
Namah Shivaya. I always greet with Namah Shivaya. It means hello to you, not to your body, but hello to your consciousness. Now many sadhaks, those who come to Shiv Yoga with the cancer problem, and whole world knows cancer is incurable. And when they get cured, when they go back, because I say you must take advice of the doctor. I am an external factor, but the internally you are taking the treatment from the doctor. And when the doctors, they see, oh, your old report and this report is not matching, you are getting cured or you are cured. Now the doctors have started saying, have you practiced Shiv Yoga along with my treatment?
My journey with Shiv Yoga began in 2010 with my first Shivir in Mauritius, and since then obviously I've had a 180-degree turnabout in my life, both physically, spiritually and mentally, thanks to Shiv Yoga and thanks to Babaji.
Shiv Yoga started in 2008, and ever since I have been progressively increasing my practices and integrating it into my everyday personal life and professional life.
I did my first Shivir in Durban with Babaji, and I have found a lot of strength and courage, and the way it has helped me in my practice is that I'm finding a lot of more peace and calm within myself.
I have attended Babaji's Shiv Yoga Cure is Possible and I was initiated in cosmic healing and integrative Shiva Yoga medical science. We have adopted few principles which Babaji has taught us. That is benefiting my patients a lot.
And here comes the principle of Shiva Yoga, which the Einstein had written in scientific language. E is equal to mc square. Vibration gives birth to energy, energy gives birth to the physical reality. As a doctor, whatever you speak, it creates a belief in the mind of the patient. Remember that. You are the most respected person in the society because you have given your life to save life of many people. As a doctor, it is your sole agenda. So every word which you speak, it is not a sound which you speak. It is a nada. It is the vibration.
I started Shiva Yoga during my second or third year of medicine. The fact that I love about Shiva Yoga is that it is all science-based. Everything has been practiced for thousands of years, and we are very fortunate that Babaji is here to bless us and to give us this knowledge. Going from a personal or my lifestyle, Shiva Yoga has changed my life completely.
So the word which I am speaking as a doctor, because I am respected, the society sees me as the one who really knows. The society sees a doctor as the one who is a savior. And my words which I speak creates the vibrations into that patient's, which will convert into energy, and energy convert into the physical reality. And if you say, come on, I will do my best, you do your best. So our best will create an outcome of the best, and what is best is your health.
Practicing Shiva Yoga, being a part of Shiva Yoga, we've seen so many changes, positive changes on a personal capacity. Our home is so full, it's so peaceful, and there's so much of love and understanding. I'm from a family of Shiva Yogis.
The first is the mantra medicine. The second is the cosmic medicine. Then third is the consciousness medicine. The fourth is the prana medicine. The fifth is the nature medicine. And sixth is the Ayurveda medicine or allopathy medicine. So if you master 5 medicine, to chhate ki zarurat hi kya hai? We never kill our blood, but we kill our energy because we do not know. We get angry, sad, we get jealous. This all kills our energy, and it is the energy which makes our body. Because every human being in Shiva Yoga language, in medical language, is made up of cells and all that whatnot. But in Shiva Yoga language, every human being is a flowing energy.
I am very happy to meet Avadhut Baba Shivanand ji, who teaches and who practices and makes our positive attitude and positive impact on the society, where he teaches us that we are all connected to the supreme higher, and this connection, once evoked in each and every individual, we can conquer most of the diseases. In fact, cure is possible, is a very positive attitude.
Anybody vibrating at a frequency above 80 Hertz resonance, they call it genius. And let me tell you, every Shiva Yogi who is following the principles of Shiva Yoga comes in the category of genius. Shiva Yoga, you may call it the science of the self, call it the religion of the self, or you call it understanding of the self. And every Shiva Yogi master, only one sole agenda they have is to save life. And we are not supposed to ask, you belong to which religion, then I'll start healing. Anybody comes in distress, we give life. Whether it is to the human beings, whether it is to the animals, whether it to the plants. It is the species which God has created. It's a lineage, the Shiva Yoga lineage, which the God has created, is to save life.
All practicing Shiva Yoga, not myself, even the patient whom I treat, they are confident and they are comfortable with me. Now I'm getting increased number of comfortable and satisfied patient and the total number of patients is increasing tremendously.
In agriculture, there are so many diseases are coming up. Nobody had heard of it. More and more GMO seeds, they are developed in the laboratories, whereas the agriculture is the part of nature. So is the human being is the part of nature. And anything and everything which comes from nature can empower and give nourishment either to the human being or to the plants.
My personal life, I've experienced a huge reduction in stress, a lot of clarity. I thought what I was doing is something that I was going to do forever, but now I'm seeing many more opportunities as to what is possible to help the people of our country. My background is and experience is in rehabilitation, physical rehabilitation, stroke, brain injury and spinal cord injury. But currently I'm managing 6 or 7 of rehabilitation units, 6 or 7 mental health units, chronic dialysis units. And my interest in the Science Beyond Science is to work out how we can take this principle of Shiv Yoga healing and put it into an environment where it can be applied at a system level. For the last 20 years, there's been huge development in modern medicine. But modern medicine is going to a point now where, number one, it's becoming unsustainable because of the costs. Number two, we're just not achieving the cures. And if we are achieving cure, it's at what cost? Because of the side effects, the costs, etc., and people's ability to lead productive lives. I think that Shiv Yoga, Science Beyond Science, is an opportunity for us to get to the next breakthrough.
For every doctor, if you are going to heal a person, because when there is a darkness, where you go? Immediately to the switch, so that you can switch on the light. When a person is sick, is he unhappy or happy? And what is the light? Happiness. So the doctor, he should have so much of happiness that if a patient is coming, he should start shining. He should start smiling. He should start laughing. That is the first, the behavioral attitude, the behavioral ethics which says of Shiv Yoga principles that no matter whatever the outside environment is, none must influence you.
Shiv Yoga is a science which I'm just learning since last few years. But recently in Shivers also, renowned faculties from South Africa and UK and US, what they are now emphasizing about the things which my already guru has taught me, and I'm practicing since last 10 years, and my patients benefit. I have certain proofs that infertility may like azoospermia, total dead sperms, PCODs, nowadays burning problem, PCODs. These are few examples. Even I have a proofs. Merely giving by charge pills which I keep in my sadhana and they get relief. I have proof without giving any medicine.
Shiv Yoga is a continuous learning process. We come from Bhagwan Datta lineage, and he very categorically said that your learning process should not stop. You should not say, I am the Jagat Guru or I am XYZ Guru, because if you are a Guru, then your learning will stop. But if you are learning, you must go on learning. And every doctor also must not, after coming out from the college, should stop learning, otherwise he'll be obsolete doctor. Continuously you must learn the new reports, the new research, because the science is dynamic, it's not static, so new things are coming.
I have been following Shiv Yoga for the last 5 years, and I've started incorporating Shiv Yoga modalities into my daily clinical practice, and I've seen tremendous improvement as far as my patients' treatment and healing process is concerned. Medical doctors have their own limitations. There are certain things that we don't know why it's happening in the body. After following Babaji for a while now and listening to Science Beyond Science seminars and shivers going on, I've begun to realize that the science is so vast, it's infinite. And to learn this, it's going to take time, But Babaji is doing a tremendous job how to tap the Shakti, how to get it into us, and how to transfer this energy to our patients. So if you're looking at that, I think it's amazing. What Babaji is doing is purely, totally amazing, totally amazing. So I'm sure it's going to help a lot of doctors in their practice, and miracles have already started to happen around the world.
So every doctor must know that when you are seeing a patient, there is an exchange of thoughts, exchange of consultation, but there is an exchange of energy is also taking place. Now it all depends upon your belief. If you think the patient is not going to survive, and that is because of your logic education, whereas if you go into Shiv Yoga education, you know anybody can be saved and anybody can survive. I have seen the doctors coming back to me telling that at one time all our patients were all right, cured completely, and there was no patient. But when I started materializing, then after that, from nowhere, from a far off distance, it's a word of mouth, the patients are asking the address of my nursing home. And many others are come to us and will charge you less and all that. They say, no, we have to go to the same doctor, to the same nursing home, because he cures. And that is what has happened now. My nursing home is crowded, but it is not crowded with painful patients or sad patients, but the patients with the vision that they are happy, that they are going to get cured from my nursing home. So my energy of my nursing home or hospital or clinic has changed completely, and as a matter of fact, now my family life is also changed completely. Because remember one thing, that if you are earning a good money by good means, then it brings happiness in the family. That is the later stage of theory of karma, which I will not like to cover now, because here I am talking pure medical science, but this does help.
His definition of true medical science is not just MBBS, allopathy, all integrative cosmic energy science, where power of self-healing will be taught scientifically and can be measured with outcome-based data. So a lot of research are all over the world under his guidance, with the leadership of medical fraternity, that lot of research is being done in US, Canada. Babaji had a lot of research done on diabetes in Mauritius, in India, and it has shown significant reduction in blood sugar for diabetics, significant LDL reduction for people with hyperlipidemia, significant reduction of cortisol level after his teaching, significant improvement in thyroid disorders, and most important, what is Cure is Possible series in USA has really taken people by surprise, and they're all interested, motivated to do more research in field of so-called incurable disease, cancer, autoimmune disorders, chronic disease such as diabetes, hypertension, and depression. And with Babaji in Canada, we were able to see depression and anxiety neurological disorder improved within span of 7 days. So I think this is a new beginning which we had failed to recognize and understand for last 100 years in West as well in East. So as Babaji is saying, East has to take a lead and meet the West and perfect medical science with Shiv Yoga.
Now I would like to bring in the chapters of the in-depth study of anatomy, physiology, cellular biology, molecular biology, the knowledge of chromosomes, DNA, the genetic engineering. In Shiv Yoga perspective, the modern world and the modern medicine knows only the science of physical body, And I still feel that many chapters and many in-depth aspects are overlooked. And if we really go in-depth into it, a lot good can be done. But I think very quickly I can prepare is, and which is a need of the hour. The cancer department needs help. The cancer patients need help. The gynae department need help. And help in the form of knowledge, wisdom and energy. So immediately I am going to prepare the complete modules of different areas of disease or different departmental wise. The sukshmas, the pranakriyas, the meditation, the special healing meditations, and overall healing meditations, so that we can run that in the hospital and the patients can understand the root cause of the disease and how they can be cured completely. Now, the vision will be that nobody should go without cure from the hospital. So we'll try our level best and let the university be the pioneer in introducing the cosmic science with the modern science.
So, what is the truth is, can you focus it? The truth is, see it. Can you read it? Cure is possible. So I bless all of you to become the Shiv Yogi. And I feel so lucky I was in the company of the best. हर हाल में खुशी, हर हाल में खुशी. Bless you and thank you.